Wow, Mavega. Alright, so this next one, you gotta sing along with us. So I'm gonna come there, I'm gonna come there, and I'm gonna come everywhere. In this direction, I'm not gonna go anywhere. That's okay. So this one's, if you sing with me, you get 2 more coupons free for tomorrow and there for tomorrow. Which is not happening. Never this. Alright, give me the key, give me the key. This one. Take it down. Alright, so it goes something like this. And for all you people over here, you're gonna sing it.